Did you know that artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of money and finance? NVIDIA, the leading AI technology company, has announced groundbreaking advancements that will revolutionize investment, trading, and banking. Their powerful AI models can now predict market trends with unprecedented accuracy, enabling investors to make smarter and more informed decisions. With NVIDIA's AI algorithms, traders can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying profitable opportunities and minimizing risks, giving them a competitive edge in the market. But it doesn't stop there. NVIDIA's AI is also enhancing fraud detection and prevention systems for banks. By analyzing patterns in transactions and customer behavior, these AI-powered systems can quickly identify suspicious activities, protecting both consumers and financial institutions. Furthermore, NVIDIA's AI advancements are automating complex financial processes, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. This means faster loan approvals, streamlined money management, and more convenient digital banking. But what about the security of our financial data? NVIDIA takes data privacy seriously. Their AI solutions prioritize end-to-end encryption and robust cybersecurity measures, ensuring that personal and sensitive information remains protected. The implications of NVIDIA's game-changing AI breakthroughs extend far beyond money and finance. From healthcare to transportation, AI is transforming every aspect of our lives. So whether you're an investor, a trader, or simply a consumer, keep an eye on NVIDIA's advancements in AI, because it's reshaping the way we handle money and finance. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech updates.